up, YouTube? It's Junior, aka Semi here, bringing you another great video to the channel. If this is your first time here, guys, I highly suggest, and I do mean me, highly suggest you go ahead and click on the subscribe button and enable bell notifications so you guys get notified every time we drop new videos like this one or whenever we go live. Because trust me, guys, you never ever want to miss out on anything that we do here. So today, I did want to go over a new toy that I got. As you guys know, my birthday's coming up. If you guys want to do anything for me, everything's down below. You know, the donate buttons, all that stuff is there. Just letting you know, it's up to you. No pressure. I'm just joking. But if you do, guys, it's there. It's no obligation. It's not required or requested. It's up to you if you did want to do anything. But anyways, back to my birthday coming up. As you guys know, I used to be a Samsung user. I used to have the Samsung S22 Ultra. And when I had the phone, I had all the toys for the Samsung. One of the toys that I had was these earbuds, the Samsung Galaxy Earbuds. And these work great. And as most of you know by now, I switched over to an iPhone. I have the 16 Pro Max right here, which is the latest. At this time, it's the latest. Of course, the 17 is coming out in September, November. And so, but for right now, this is the latest for the iPhone, and I do have it. I did the switch. It's actually just to switch it out because the reason why I switched over to Samsung is because I was doing a lot of stuff that involves APKs, Android stuff. So I was like, let me stick with the Android for a while, and then just decided to switch back because I'm like, I don't use it as much as I want to anymore for what I need it for. And I personally prefer the AI from Siri than anything else. Hopefully she didn't wake up okay. And it's a better response. Me personally, that's the only reason I switched. But yeah, so I rock these even with the iPhone. You can still use them together. They touch, play, and everything. You can use them perfectly, and they work great. But one thing about these is the battery life on these after storing them out, because I've had these for 3 or 4 years now. The battery life is going low. So I was like, oh man, since I only use it to when I go to the gym, it's not really I use it outdoors or anything like that, because I pay attention to my surroundings more. But I use it more for the gym. But even when I'm on a plane, I like to listen to stuff. These are going a little dead. So my wife was like, she wanted me to get new ones. So what did she did? She ordered me some for my birthday, but she told me I could open it now. I told her I'm not gonna open it to my birthday. She's like, no, go open it now. You need it now, so go ahead open it. What she got me were the AirPods. These are the AirPod 4s with noise cancellation, not the AirPod 4 Pros, because that's way too much money. To me, it makes no sense. That's just me. I got a pair of these for my wife for her Valentine gift or birthday. I forgot what I got when I got it for her, but I got her saying, well, she loves those. She loves it. She likes. The only reason I never got these and I prefer these over these is because these are actually buds that go into your ear. So there's nothing sticking out, nothing. It's plain flat. You know, look at it. It works perfectly like that. Now my monitor is detecting the earbuds for Bluetooth. But so I use these, which works great, awesome. But like I said, the battery life was going down. So what did they do now? Samsung decided to copy Apple. They created the same type of earbud with the stick and everything. It looks just like the AirPods. In which I'm like, okay, if I'm gonna do that, if I'm gonna buy a new headset and the only option I got is to get the AirPods style for Samsung, I might as well go with Apple since I already have an iWatch. You know, I mean iPhone. Sorry, I got an iPhone already. So my wife got me these. She didn't tell me she was getting it. She just died. She ordered this and the watch. You must have watched my video already. If you haven't, go watch it. I did an unboxing on the watch itself as well. I showed a little bit of what it looks like and everything. I didn't play around with it and show you because you guys know how all smartwatches work. So that's what I'm gonna do today, just unboxes and show you what they look like and how they come. So again, like I said, these are the AirPods 4 with noise cancellation, because they make 3 models. The regular one, the no noise cancellation, these with the noise cancellation, and they make the iPod 4 Pros. So they make 3 versions of it. No noise cancellations, one with noise cancellations, and the Pro ones, which is already has noise cancellation. To be honest, I do not know the difference between the 4s and the Pros. I thought the big difference would be the noise cancellation, but this one has noise cancellation. I can find out and look into it, but it really doesn't bother me that much. I'll stick with these. You save like I think $100 by getting these over the. These I believe are 180, 160. I could be wrong. I don't remember. Close to 200, but the pros are $100 more, like 260, 280, something like that. So these are fine with me. My wife's like, "Oh, I didn't get you a pros." I'm sorry, babe. No, I wouldn't. I would have told you to return and give me the regular ones. So that makes no sense. For me, it makes no sense. That's just me. To each his own, right? All right, so we're gonna do the same thing. Open it up like the strip here. You rip these strips off to open it up. Throw the strips to the side. And when you first get them, they come in like this. So right here, you get the manual book right here right away. And stick it here. You could go through it if you want, read through it if you want. I'm not gonna read through it because it makes no sense for me to read through it. I know how to use it. And you got the AirPods here. Look how small this case is. Compared to this is very thick. And it's still bigger than this one both ways. So, but these are thin. If you compare thickness to them, this is thin and this is thicker. As you can see, the thickness of it. This is a little bit bigger. This is like the cover of this. The thing that's bigger is the cover. The closing door on this right here, this part is the only thing that's bigger than this. All right. So I'm gonna take these out. And these charge by USB-C on the bottom. Now, if you have a wireless charger, it has a built-in wireless charger on there that you can put in. Like if you put this in the back of your phone and share the electricity, it'll charge it for you, which is cool. I like that. All right. I can't do that with these on this one because they work, but it doesn't work that good. All right. All right. So, and my wife wanted to make it extra special for me. I forgot that she did this, but it shows it. Look at what she did right there. I don't know if you can see. I'm gonna bring it up close. She put my name on there with hearts. I don't know if you can see it. She custom engraved it. Apple did that for her. It says Junior and it says hearts on the side, so she knows these are mine. Because she does have a pair of these, so we don't get confused which one's which. I know which one's mine. So she engraved it with my name and with little hearts on there, which is pretty cool. The little hearts she could have done without, but I understand why she did that, and I love her for it. That's my wife. I love her. So thank you, babe. So these are very simple. You take these out and put them in your ear. Yeah, this is the left side, and they hang like this. I never liked the stick sticking down. That's just me. It's a personal thing, personal preference. I never liked things sticking out because I feel like these are gonna fall. The first ones that ever came out were longer. The sticks were longer. This is shorter, so it makes it a little bit better. It stays closer, like it doesn't even go below my earlobe right here. See, still above my earlobe. So that I like that a little there. And if I put them on here, they're not hooked up to it right now but if you squeeze the bottom of this is how it works. Okay, because I don't have it hooked up. It actually reduces the noise around me. So that's what noise cancellation is. It reduces the sound. So you don't hear anything about. And I've tried it before and I felt it. You can feel the pressure like when they noise cancellates it, you know when it's activated. And it really works. It works good. My wife can't hear me. I could be talking loud to her, she won't hear me. And yeah. So I'm gonna enjoy this now. As you see, these are mine. My name right there, Junior. That's my second legal name. But yeah, guys. So that's it. I just wanted to show you what I got for my birthday. Hopefully you watched the other video about the watch itself. I did get these two things separate times, so that's why they're two separate videos. And I also it makes sense just to make them separate. They're two different products. So yeah, guys, I'm happy with it. If you enjoyed this video and if you had to show it today, go ahead and give me a big old thumbs up. Show me all the love and support that you guys love to show the channel. Also, don't forget to hit that share button because sharing is caring. And we want to make sure that everyone's aware of everything we do on this channel so they're not missing out, just like you're not missing out. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, put them in the comment box down below and I'll get to you as soon as I can, when I can, as fast as I can. And on top of that, guys, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and enable bell notifications so you guys get notified every time we drop new videos like this one or whenever we go live, because you're not gonna miss out on anything, guys. And that's it for today. Until next time, I'm out here. Peace.